What's going on, guys? And I wanted to do a review on this Sportstech 2-in-1 foldable treadmill for your home office. Full disclosure, this was given to me in exchange for a review, but that's not going to change what I say at all. First of all, I love how this thing feels right out the box. It feels very sturdy. It is well made. It's actually got it's got weight to it, and it feels like it's not going to fall apart, which is number one, awesome right out the box. I've dealt with some of these treadmills that just feel very flimsy and not that good. Two, it comes out pretty much ready to go. There's a few little tools here that we're going to, it's wheels for under here to make it a little easier to roll, and then a thing for your cell phone and a remote. But pretty much it already comes ready to go. And what's cool is if you have a standing desk already, you can stick this right underneath it. And if you want to have something up, there's a lever on this side that you just pop out. This lifts up. You lock it back into place. You click the button right here. Oh, there we go. And this comes right out. And then we're going to put that headrest there for your cell phone or device or anything like that. It's got a cool app that you can do workouts on. And it's just, this thing's so compact. If you want to put this away and you're just like, listen, I want to have it underneath my walking desk like my partner has, you just pull this down and you can put it right underneath the desk. And then you can literally put this and tilt it up and put it in a garage or just in your office up against the wall. So right away, it's super compact, which is great. I'm going to kind of show you how to put it together, my thoughts on it, how it works, and how the app is. When you flip it over, you're just putting these two pieces together. You put the screws in, and then this, the wheels go right in with the little metal part. And the awesome thing is the instruction booklet that it gives to you is very thorough, and it actually works. You can understand it. So this is super simple. So after you get everything set up, this is what it looks like if you have the armrest rests up and you're not doing it underneath a desk. So this is a setup. Now it doesn't come with the tablet, but it's got this really nice holder right here, which can fit most tablets or phones or whatever you would like to use. They have this really cool app, which is awesome, and I've actually connected the machine here. And so if I do a one of these workouts, it automatically sets the speed and you can watch and do their workout, which is really cool. It's got this the safety device. You clip this on your clothes or something. If this gets pulled off, it puts into safe mode and will stop it. And this is for if you something happens, you trip and fall and you need this to stop. Once that gets pulled off, it turns off into safe mode, which is super important that everyone uses. Here are the lights right here, and it's cool. It's got little lights here. You can do pre-programmed mode. You can do some modes. You can program some stuff depending on what you want to do, but I haven't really messed around with too much of that. I'm just going to show you. So you just start that, and it's going to start at a nice slow speed right here. And now I should have this clicked on, so I'll click that on. So this is the super slow mode at 0.6. Right here, you can up the speed. You can lower the speed right here. It will tell you the time, the distance, the calories burned, and all that information is down here, which is really cool. Let's turn this off, and then it'll slowly stop. So yeah, everything works great. I like the app. I like that it automatically connects up to here. And now they also have this little remote control, and this is awesome. So if I'll show this last, but if you take, this and collapse this and just have this underneath the desk, you use this to turn it on, which is awesome. So if you're working at your desk, you just click this and it turns on, and this does the speed and everything like that. So that's really cool as well. So this is what it looks like if you have it all collapsed. So if I wanted to put this underneath the desk, I would just do this, click on right there, boom. And now you can have it do certain programmed ones, but I don't really have that set. So bam, right there, starts. I can make it go faster. Now without the armrests up, it does not go, it only allows you to walk. It doesn't allow you to run for safety reasons, which I think is a very good idea. But this right here controls all of that. And then you just click the button. Sorry, I think it's this one. I think you just turn this off like that.
So yeah, this is an awesome feature if you want to have it in using your own desk at the house, standing desk. But overall, this thing is awesome. It works great. It's super easy to use, nice and sturdy, and you can use it on your desk already, or if you just want to have a place to work or work out in the house, it's awesome. It folds up against the wall. Everything's awesomeness. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this review helped.